Robert here, Bluegrass Bushcraft. Gonna do an unpackaging from good buddy mine, MckWilly. Let's open it up and see what we got. Be using the Mora. We can get into it. Got it wrapped up pretty good. Trying to break into Fort Knox. All right, another one of these pouches. There's the carbon felt, like the alcohol stove was out of. Can't get that around here. So he's going to hook me up with some. If he done something a little extra here too. There's a paracord bracelet. Alexis, I love that. Yeah. Alexis or Melissa one will love that one. Little pink key knife. Oh, purple is Melissa's color. She's already pointing at it. Melissa's running the camera right now.
Thanks.
All right, buddy. Appreciate it. This here is going to come in handy. Been needing some of that for a while. So, Alexis and Melissa's going to like these. So, yeah, real appreciate it, buddy. Catch you all on the next one. Peace out, everybody.